Lesson 5, quadratic equation by quadratic formula. We are going back to number 3. Sorry about that, got cut off on the last video. So our A will be -4, B and a C is -2. So I did it by hand. I'm going to put that up for you. So what I did, I labeled them and I plugged them in, and so the -8 is our B, our first term right there. Then it's 8 squared minus 4. This is our A and a C and an A. So I worked all this out and I got -8 plus minus square root of 32 over -8. Then I simplify it and I got the answer A. 1 plus minus 1 radical 2 over 2. So it's our choice A for this one. And then when we went to Desmos, we were trying to check it on the last video. So when we put the minus, that's when they matched. When we put the plus, they did not match. See that? So you got to test them both, because this this worksheet only had one of the answers. See that? It did not have both, like this one had 2. So always check either or. Okay, we're going to move on to number 4. Okay, using quadratic formula equation. Okay, so let's move stuff around because we want to have in standard form. So let's go to Desmos and we'll do it there. Just gonna be easier for me. All right, let's click off the bottom. Leave the top alone because we're just gonna substitute the numbers. Let's write our equation. We had 2x. Oops. Oh, there we go. This one works. 2x equals 7 minus x squared. All right, we do not want it in this order because we gotta know where A, B, C is. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move these two to that side because I have a negative and I don't want to work with negative, and opposite is positive. So -7 here plus x squared here. What you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Now we want everything in order. So first I'm going to go with x squared. Then we want plus 2x. And then the number, -7. Equals 0. Now we could label them. So A is 1, B is 2, and C is -7. Now we could plug them in. And so our B is 2. So our A is 1, and our C is -7. And don't forget the bottom. A, which is 1. Okay, so we're going to get a decimal. Let's see our answer choices. What do we have? Because we're going to compare. Oops, look at that mess. So we have a lot of these. Let's go with let's do A and C. See which one it is. Let's do one at a time. So A is 1 plus radical 2. Okay, that does not match. Let's try minus also. That does not match either. Okay, that we know it's not the answer. All right, let's go with the second choice, which was C. -1 plus, and don't forget to try them both because Look at that. It matched. So C is our answer. Let's just put minus here just to see. Because, you know, in math, see, they didn't have the answer up there. So always try both ways with plus. All right, let's click this one off because we know it's not A. It's A. So these match. So it's definitely answer choice C. All right. Also, I did work it out by hand in case you wanted to. Anybody liked it by hand? I'll put it up for you for a minute, and we could see that. So that way you know it matches to a C. See that? So if anybody likes to do it by hand, I did it by hand. So I'm plugging in our B, then 4 times A is 1, and C. Okay? And then I worked that out by hand, and I got also C. Okay? Let's move on to number 5. Alright, so we have 3x squared plus 11x equals 20. I'm going to move it around again. Let's just go to decimals. We'll move it there. It'll be easier. Well, let's clear this off. And write our equations. 3x squared plus 11x equals 20. Now I would like to move that 20. So I'm going to do opposite operation is minus 20. Okay. So our new equation, 3x squared plus 11x minus 20 equals 0. That's all right. That's a B. That's our C. So let's plug them in real quick. We got 11. See how easy it is when you don't erase it? So much easier. You just plug them in. And you don't have to retype everything. You just type it one time. All right, A is 3. C is negative 20. Okay, and don't forget the bottom, of course. Our A was 3. And there you go. So we got 4 over 3. So that's our plus. And don't forget the second answer. Put minus here. And you got negative 5. See that? So negative 5 and 4 over 3. Which is answer choice D. Negative 5 and 4 over 3. See that? So D. Okay. Number 6. And that is our last question for this lesson. Okay. What they're asking here is see where the mistake is in this problem. So I think, let's see. I worked it up by hand, but let's see if we could find that before we do anything. So if we plug it in, might be easier just working it out by hand. All right, our equation, we need that. Okay, 2x squared, there it is. So 2x squared, that's our A, B, C. So plug that in right. 4 times 2 plus 3. 2 times 2. And 5. So looks like it's a mistake. Looks like the mistake is in our first step. Because the minus is... Oh, my negative times negative is positive. So no. Be good on that. So they just skipped that step. So that's okay. It looked like it was, but it wasn't. Because if we wrote it like this, it would give us positive, negative to positive. So that's good. Okay, so far so good. Our second step, 25 minus 4 is 1. Okay, good. So there it is. So from here to here, there's the mistake. This would be the answer actually. Because you cannot, radical 1 is not 1. There's the mistake. So you cannot just add them and subtract them. So for this question, your arrow is in step 3 to 4. Okay, so there's your arrow. All right, this concludes lesson 5. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful.